Namaste, I JVN Shamala Siddiqui, post of Assistant Professor, Department of Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic. Today in this video, I will discuss about types of the donor in blood banking. So, there are 4 ways to donate of the blood: plasma, platelets and red blood cells and whole blood. And those the different components in our blood have many uses. During and after a donation, we are able to separate those components and to give a recipient exactly what they need. So keep in mind, and the process can vary based on the type of donation. So the eligibility vary too. We require certain qualifications to give a plasma and platelets compared to the red blood cells and whole blood. So ask your phlebotomist and your technician what you are eligible to donate for the plasma, platelets, red blood cells and whole blood. So what is whole blood? Most people donate whole blood, approximately 1 pint, and after donation, your blood is separated into its components, red blood cells, plasma and platelets, for the distribution to local hospitals. Total time to donate for whole blood 1 hour from the registration through refreshments, and can be donated every 56 days. Next is platelet apheresis. A platelet donation uses automated technology to collect a concentrated volume of the platelets, and which are necessary for clotting and may be needed by the cancer patients and leukemic patients, accidental victims and other patients with blood clotting problems. And total time to donate up to 2 hours and 30 minutes. So can be donated 14 days up to 24 times each year. And plasma donations. Next is plasma donation. A plasma donation uses automated technology to collect a concentrated volume of the plasma, and most often needed to treat the accidental and burn victims, that helps transport nutrients and proteins in blood throughout your body via the circulatory system. Type EB donor are especially valuable as plasma donor. Total time to donate for 1 hour and 15 minutes for registration through the refreshments, and can be donated every 28 days. So blood donations are divided into groups based on who will receive the collected blood, and allogenic, and it is also called homologous. And donation is when a donor gives blood for storage at a blood bank for the transfusion to unknown recipient. And directed donation is when a person, often a family member, and donate blood for a transfusion to a specific individual person. So the directed donations are relatively rare when an established supply exists. For a replacement donor, donation is a hybrid of the two, and it's common in developing countries such as like Ghana, and in this case a friendly and family member of the recipient donate blood to replace the stored blood used in a transfusion. And blood is sometimes collected using a similar method for a therapeutic phlebotomy. But when a person has blood stored that will be transfused back to the donor at a later date and later time, usually after surgery, this is called as autologous donation. So similar to an ancient practice of the bloodletting, which is used to treat conditions such as hereditary polycythemia vera and hemochromatosis, and this blood is sometimes treated as a blood donation, but may be immediately discarded if it cannot be used for the transfusion and further manufacturing. So the actual The actual process varies according to the laws of the country, and recommendations to donor vary according to the collecting organization. The World Health Organization and WHO gives recommendations for the blood donation policies. But in developing countries, many of these are not followed. For example, the recommended testing requires laboratory facilities, trained staff, and specialized reagents, and which may not be available and too expensive developing countries. So and screening. Next is screening. Donors are typically required to give consent for the process, but certain criteria like weight and hemoglobin level, and this requirement means minors cannot donate without permission from a parent and guardian. In some countries, associated with the donor's blood but not named to provide any anonymity, and in other such as United States and names and ineligible donors. If a politician donor does not meet these criteria, they are deferred. So this term is used because many doctors and donors who are eligible may be allowed to the donor later. So the hemoglobin level and this requirement means minor cannot donate without permission from a patient and guardian. In some countries,